Hey, what's up, guys? This is Josh, and today we're gonna do a little pack opening, but it's gonna be my friend Petros who just got. He plays pretty high for the first time at FNM, and he got a couple packs, and he beat me, so he's gonna open his packs on camera. So yeah, here we go.
Sweet.
Introduce yourself, Petros.
Oh yeah, I'm Petros or Peter, whatever you want to call me.
Little Pete. Here you go, baby.
Thanks.
Two spirits, Malfoy twins, and malcontents and Archwing dragon. Cool.
Dude, don't forget the swamp.
Yeah, this one's the best. Yeah, and after this, Danny will open his packs, or I will, and then yeah, we just all open our packs, basically.
Okay, demonic taskmaster, divorced claw, homicidal seclusion,
That's pretty good.
and
You got a
divine
foil?
deflection.
You got a
Ooh,
foil. Ooh.
dangerous
Dangerous
wager.
Who loves that card?
Alex here.
I think they like redid the foils.
Yeah.
They're all dark.
No, they used to be all. They used to be
They
like.
used to be like that.
Okay, third pack.
Okay.
I've got a list. Yeah, 5 months of money. I can't. I'm gonna burn myself. I would be happy.
Ooh, blood artist, King of Devils, Commander's Authority, and Restoration Angel.
Nice.
Ooh,
I need
sweet.
that. I'll trade you for that.
Dude, Petros will
Nice Restoration Angel.
Yeah.
Okay,
Should I run 4?
fourth pack.
Dude, whose stuff is this right here? This here? Yeah. Dude, how do you even treat the angels?
Rush of Blood, New Spirit, Smuggler, ooh, and Killing Wave.
Are you lying? Dude, this is all mine.
You got second with his zombie deck, mono black. Is that in your zombie deck?
Yeah, I have two of them.
You really got Percy's be like over there.
No.
Or you're pushing top line.
Dude, thanks for all the Redis.
Okay. Ghostly Touch,
I was
Angel's
separating them
Tomb, Fire and Blood, ooh, and Burn at the Stake. Ooh,
Oh,
nice.
foil
Foil
Wolfear.
Wolfear.
Yeah,
Worth
dude,
a dollar more
just
than
go buy an
the
intro
regular
pack.
one. It's not worth anything.
Yeah, too bad it's in the intro pack.
Dude,
Playing
That's
cool.
hilarious.
Patty Connor
How
needs
many
a-
more packs do you have?
Connor needs it real bad.
Yeah, Connor needs it real bad.
Okay.
It's like the worst.
Well,
foil.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened to me. I got a foil Herald of War.
Nice.
Dude,
Dude,
Herald
Herald
of
War is
legit.
so good. Are you kidding?
Yeah, right, Alex.
Druid's
Swear
Familiar,
to God,
Into
don't
the
make your
Void,
Latch Seeker's good.
Tyrant
dude.
of Discord.
That sucks.
Okay, I have
Best red
last
card
pack.
in the game.
Last pack.
Pull like a Tomio or a bonfire.
Okay, I need to get something good.
Hey, you got nothing,
No
Petty.
mythics. No mythics.
No mythic set.
Hey, Restoration Angel and Foil Wolfear is great.
You got a restoration.
You got a that's it. I could, man. Got a foot.
That guy that got first used Divine Deflection.
Did he really? Oh yeah.
It's
I
pretty good.
actually played against that guy last weekend.
He's actually
Yeah,
pretty
he's
good.
gonna.
Battle him.
Why are you
No,
doing the
why am I
comments?
doing the
Nobody
comments?
cares. Dude, battle him.
Oh, that fight's pretty good.
Ooh,
That's really sick.
Ooh, Avenger. Exterminator. Ooh, and
Trade
Truth
the
Angels.
Angels. There we go.
Nice.
Last pack on Truth Angels.
Alright.
Sweet.
Yep. So that's it. That's that for this pack opening. So I guess we'll go on to Dan for the next one. See you next time.